Hello friends, today I am going to talk about an interesting topic, that is classical complement pathway. Okay, it is a very important topic also in case of exam. Okay, so many MCQs are also asked in these topics. Students are also very confused in this topic. Today I will let you know how the pathway is going on. Okay, how to remember this pathway very easily. It is very interesting if you learn it properly. I'll let you know now. Okay, let's see. A complement system, basically if you will see, it is of three types. Okay, complement pathway, there are three complement pathway. First is classical complement pathway, and the second one is alternative complement pathway, and the third one is lectin pathway. Okay, actually these three pathways are there in the complement pathway. First is classical pathway, second is alternative classical pathway, and third is lectin pathway. We'll discuss the classical complement pathway. Okay, before going to this, I am telling some important points about this. Okay, just listen. What is complement protein? First you know complement protein. These are the protein normal proteins. Okay, these are like normal proteins which are present in the blood vessels. Okay, these are the protein which are present inside the blood vessels, like this, like albumin, globulin. This is also a complement protein which is present in the blood. There are total 9 complement protein. Okay, like C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8 and C9. Okay, there are types of complement protein. Total 9 types of complement proteins and 3 pathways. I have already told you. Okay, and let's see another thing, some important points. Complements are normal serum proteins which protect against various antigens, microbes or microorganisms. That means when antigen or any foreign particle comes, this complement protein act as a antibody. Okay, or act as a protein which kills the antigen, and the antigen or the bacteria will die. Okay, and next thing is complement not binds with any free antibody or antigen. Okay, if any antigen is there, directly complement protein will not come and bind. It cannot be bind, it cannot able to bind directly. Okay, when only antigen and antibody complex is there, first of all antigen antibody complex formation must be there, then complement protein comes, then it will bind. Then what happened, complement protein and antibody will attack together the foreign antigen, so the antigen will be killed. Okay, this is the process. It binds Fc portion of the immunoglobulin or antibody. This is known as fixation. You should remember these points. What is fixation? Fc portion of the immunoglobulin, the complement protein will bind. This is known as fixation. Okay, this is all about the introduction. Let's talk about the classical pathway. See, classical pathway is a very interesting to remember this pathway. If you will just listen, or if you will just see this photo, then you will able to answer everything. Just remember this, you will answer everything about the complement pathway. Okay, I'll let you understood about classical complement pathway. Okay, see, you have to remember just some few points. Like, see here what happens. Classical proteins are 9 types. I have already told you: C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8 and C9. Okay. See, C2 divided into C1, C2. C3 divided into, C2 divided into C2A, C2B. C3 divided into C3A, C3B. Like this. C9 also divided into C9A, C9B. But one thing you should remember. Okay, what is this? Is, let's see, C1, C1A, C2, C1B is not possible. All other everything is C2, C2A, C2B possible, but C1, C1A, C1B is not possible. Okay, this is you should remember. Okay, then what is there is, look, C1, C1A and C2B is not possible. So first you remember, I love you. Okay, I means what? 1, love means 4, you means 3, or sometime maybe 2. Just remember like this. Okay, so first 1 is coming, so you should remember first complement 1 is coming, C1 here, just see, C1 is coming. Then what is there? 4 is there. Then C4B is coming. Okay, then what is coming? 2, C2B is coming here. Then 3, C3B is coming. Okay, let's remember, always C1 is single, then C4B is attached with C1, then with C4B, C2B is attached, then with C2B, C3B is attached, then with C3B, C5B is attached. Okay, you should remember this total process. These 4 you can remember by this trick, I love you. Then just add 5, then again 6, 7, 8, 9, all 4 are you should add. This is the chain of the complement pathway. You should remember this chain. If you will remember this chain, it will be very easy for write about classical complement pathway. Okay friends. Okay, then see what happens. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Oh, sorry. See here. See here, when this is antigen. Okay, this is antigen. Here antibody already binds with this antigen. Okay, I told before, when antigen antibody complex is formed, after that only complement proteins binds with this. Okay, then C1 complement protein binds, after that C4 complement protein binds. Like I love you, this mnemon you should remember, like this chain. Okay, and another one MCQ you should remember in this. What is this? When C4B and C2B, C4B plus C2B binds, what will form? C3. This is known as C3B convertase. In MCQ, in exam, MCQ will comes, what is C3B convertase? In A, it is given C4A, C1A, B, C4B, C2B. What will answer? You will answer B. Like this they will ask. And another one thing is, they will ask in the exam, this thing: if you will bind C4B, C2B, C3B, then what it will form? C5B. So C5B convertage equals to C4B plus C2B plus C3B. This is also MCQ. These two things you can remember very easily. Okay. Then what happens after C5B? C6 complement protein comes, C7 comes, C8 comes, C9 comes. All four complement proteins are forms a complex. This complex is known as membrane attack complex, MAC. Okay, MAC, membrane attack complex. Okay, this membrane attack complex which is formed comes directly to the antigen, and it will make a big hole by forming some chemical substances. It will form some chemical substances. See, it will come and it will form some chemical substances here. So it will go inside and causes the lysis of the antigen or bacteria or any foreign particles. So what happens? This will be killed when this cell or antigen is there, bacteria is there. One second. See, this bacteria is there, make a hole here and it enter, that is MSC, enter and kills this. So the bacteria will be killed totally. So this is the pathway for classical complement pathway. This you should know. If you like this video, you can just put a like here and help us to grow. Thank you.